today's match, none other than Alyssa Valdez. So Alyssa, before this match, sabi mo na parang yung Lady Eagles yung underdog sa larong ito. Sa tingin mo ba ngayon, after sweeping NU in 3 sets, kayo pa rin ba yung underdog?
Oo naman, we have lot of things to improve pa and sobra, and wala pa si Coach Tai, and we really played this game for kay God naman talaga, kay Coach Farley, and all the efforts na binibigay ng team, and to everyone who supports the team talaga.
Okay, so speaking of Coach Tai, kung nanonood siya ngayon, ano ang gusto mo naman sa kanyang sabihin?
Happy. No, good luck, Coach, sa coaching course, and we miss you, kitong makmak, Coach, itong.
Okay, so thank you, Alyssa. Congrats naman sa being player of the game and to the Ateneo Lady Eagles. We present to you, of course, this box of shakies once more for being player of the game. Ngayon, may gusto ka bang batiin?
Hi kay Denise, pamangkin ni Ate Ruby, and to my family sa San Juan, Batangas, hi. And to all the fans na nanonood sa bahay, hello po. And, sorry, nagulit po ako. Ayun, hi po to everyone, and ayun, good luck sa men's team and to both teams. Yay!
Okay, thank you, Alyssa, and congrats once more. Now, we turn it back to Mr. Noel Zarate.
Thank you very much, Trisha Robredo. And it is now time, ladies and gentlemen, for the individual awarding for our collegiate conference of the 12th season of the Shakey's V-League. My name is Noel Zarate, and at this point, we will bring in our presenters. First, let's bring in the PR and event supervisor of Shakey's Pizza, Ms. Stephanie Luterio. Joining Ms. Luterio is the president of Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated, Mr. Ricky Palou, and our tournament director, also from Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated, Mr. Tony Boy Liao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first of our awards for this conference. The first best outside spiker. That award goes to, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Alyssa Valdez. Congratulations, Eliza. And now calling on our second best outside spiker for this conference. From the University of Santo Tomas, E.J. Laure. Congratulations, EJ, as we now move on to our first best middle blocker of the conference. From the National University, Chacha Santiago. Congratulations to Jaja, and now our second best middle blocker of the conference. From the Ateneo de Manila University, Bea De Leon. Congratulations, Bea, our second best middle blocker. And now for the best opposite spiker of the conference, we bring in, from the Far Eastern University, Jovelyn Gonzaga. We will receive the award on behalf of Jovelyn Gonzaga, our best opposite spiker from FEU. And now we move on to our best setter of the conference. From the Ateneo de Manila University, Giselle Tan.
This is the mix of DJ Eiley and DJ.
Congratulations, Giselle, best spiker of the Collegiate Conference of Season 12. And now it's time to award our best libero from the National University, Fatima Pia General. Congratulations, Bia. And that leaves only one award to be handed out. The biggest one of them all for the individual awards. The most valuable player of the conference. And it will come from one of these young ladies in front of you. The MVP of the Collegiate Conference Season 12 of the Shakey's P-League is, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Eliza Valdez. Eliza now with her second MVP award. Congratulations, Eliza, and congratulations to all of our winners for our individual awards of Season 12 of the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's P-League.